alone, every night alone. Why am I alone when you know that you want me to? Am I wrong?
Hey dolls, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve this effortless Farrah Fawcett Thames curtain bang look. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieve this, make sure you keep on watching because I am seriously in love. Like, look how adorable this is. Now on to the details on this hair. Thank you so much Alipearl for sponsoring this video. And this is just some of the goodies that you will receive in your box. We have a little compact mirror. We also have your band for your lace, an HC wig cap, a storage bag, and also your brush for your edges. So I will be showing you guys their 13x6 HD 26-inch body wave frontal wig, and this is in 250% density. And y'all, these curls came like this, so I really did not have to do any styling to this hair or recurling it because the curls were juicy, popping straight out of the pack. And what I really like about this unit was that it was a 13x6, so the parting was really big and it was on the entire unit. And as you can see, you don't see any black knots, so it's already pre-bleached and pre-plucked. And this is just the construction of the unit. We have our elastic band on the inside, 3 combs in the inside. Therefore, you can wear this unit 100% glueless if you decide. So now let's get into putting this unit on. So I decided midway through this video that I wanted to do curtain bangs. So all of the ball cap method and everything was kind of pointless, so I didn't include that in this video. I did that off of camera. But if y'all want a detailed video on how I got this ball cap method, it was like really bald. I will do that in one of my next frontal videos that's coming up. But I ended up putting way more glue than I initially needed to. It was super thick and I did not need to put that much glue at first. I was rushing trying to go to the Mariah the Scientist concert, and y'all could see me just chilling. I'm eating ice cream. I'm gonna be on my phone just waiting for this glue to dry clear, and it never did. So I'm happy I messed up because I've been wanting to try curtain bangs for the longest, and this was the perfect opportunity because you could not see my lace, so it was the perfect cover up. And now I'm realizing, like, baby, this glue is not drying and I have like an hour, so we gotta figure something out. So I said F it and decided, yeah, as you guys can see. So I decided, okay, we just about to put this lace on and do these curtain bangs. And even though I only did 1 layer, this glue lasted like a really long time. This wig lasted about 5 to 6 days, and that was because I decided to take it off because I had to do another style. But that wig was on my head. I'm talking about sweating at the concert and all, and it was hot there. This wig was not going anywhere. But other than that, I started to do my face framing layers to start my curtain bang journey. And then I also went in with my bio silk because this hair was really fluffy and it had a few flyaways. So I went ahead and used that and put that throughout my hair to make it more silky and just seamless looking without having all those hairs going everywhere. And as you guys can see, the curls were still there. So this is a very beginner friendly wig. If my girls do not know how to curl their hair, definitely look into this unit because you really don't have to do anything to it. Even if you put the layers in the hair, as you can see, the curls are still there. So I really like that.
Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off your love, I don't know how to behave.
So once I finished cutting all of that excess lace off, I went ahead and used my hot comb to frame those bangs towards my forehead so you can have that nice feathery effect. And I'm going to be cutting layers throughout this entire video just so they can frame my face perfectly the way I needed them to, because this is my first time doing this. But I will be using my T3 curling iron, and as you guys can see, I did that curl going away from my face, and on this side I did it under, and you can see the different type of curl that they gave. You guys let me know which one you like better. I ended up towards the end of the video just doing them both like this side. I just feel like that looked way better, but they were cute. It was giving messy fringe look and it still looked okay, but just for the video's sake, I ended up doing it the first way. And I'm just experimenting, you guys. Like, I'm literally just looking at this video and was like, girl, you did not know what you were doing, and it ended up coming out so beautiful. So like I said, I ended up just going and curling them both away from my face, and that looked way better. And I'm literally just adding like 2 curls on each side just so it can look a little more uniform with the curl that I did for my bangs. And I did not go throughout my entire unit in curl, absolutely not. Like, as you guys can see, the curls were still there straight out of the box that the company already provided. So I just took that and ran with it, and just took advantage of me not really having to style my hair besides these 3-4 curls that I ended up doing at the top. So love that, love that, love that so much. And I was really starting to feel this look. It was coming together, and I was so excited because I did not know what I was going to do to my hair for this concert, and I was freaking out in the beginning when this glue was not drying. I just did not have the patience. So I'm just going to cut a little more layers for the rest of these couple little seconds, and then we're going to get into the final result. So once I finished cutting all of my layers and adding finishing touches to my bang, I went ahead with my Bio Silk again and just smoothed that throughout my entire head to make sure those curls were nice and uniformed. And this was the final result, you guys. And I was super pleased and just happy that I was able to do something to cover up for our little glue mishap in the beginning. But I was completely happy with how this turned out. This hair was super thick. Like, I love me a good density wig, and this was it, 250% density. So for my girls who like really voluminous, thick, big hair, this is the unit for you. So if you guys are interested in anything that I mentioned in this video, make sure you check out the description box below. That includes tools, the details on this hair, and also some coupon codes, and also other links to some other hair on Alipearl's site. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you got this far, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. Mwah.